rules for asymptotes and force. That was all about the previous class. Today we are going to explain certain example, and I'm going to explain those points that we used previously by certain examples. Okay. እሺ በአማርኛ እናድርገው። ባለፈው ሩል ኦፍ አሳምፕቶትስ እና ፎርስ አይተን ነበር። In our class, uh, previously we have discussed about rule of asymptotes and force, and today we are going to justify, or we are going to clarify those concepts that we used previously by giving certain examples. ወይ ደግሞ ባለፈው ስለ ሩል ኦፍ አሳምፕቶትስ እና ፎርስ አይተናል። ዛሬ ደግሞ እነዚያን ሀሳቦችን በምሳሌ እናዳብራለን ማለት ነው። Let me start. I'm going to give a sort of function, a sort of rational function, and we are going to discuss, we are going to find the horizontal asymptote and the vertical asymptote, or the inclined asymptote of those functions. For example, find this is the instruction. Okay. We are going to find the vertical asymptote, or vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote, or oblique asymptote for the following given functions. So the first function is rational function, which is given in the form of f of x is equal to x squared minus x minus 12 over x squared minus 2x minus 8. Suppose this is our rational function. So for this rational function, we are expected to find the vertical asymptote, the oblique, the horizontal asymptote, or the oblique asymptote if it exists. So to find the vertical asymptote, we say that we should have to say the denominator to 0 and solve the expression. So vertical asymptote is going to be obtained as follows. Replace the denominator to 0. This is x squared minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So after equating the denominator to 0, we are going to solve this expression, this equation. As you can observe, this is a quadratic equation. So any quadratic equation can be solved in 3 basic methods, or we have 3 basic methods of solving quadratic equation. The first one is a factorization method. If the equation can be solved by factorization, we can factorize the equation. If it is not factorizable, we can use a quadratic formula, or we can use the complete square method. So in our case, this is factorizable, and we are going to find two numbers, suppose p and q, say that when added p plus q will give us minus 2, and when multiplied p times q will give us minus 8. Find two numbers where added gives negative 2, and when multiplied gives minus 8. These two numbers can be minus 4 and 2. Therefore, this can be factorized as x squared plus minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Then we have C for the common expressions. So what is common for this and this is x, and what is left is x minus 4, plus what is common for this and this, it is 2. Then x minus 4 is equal to 0. And finally this will become x minus 4 and x plus 2. This is the general factorized form of x squared minus 2x minus 8. So as you can observe from this, the general factorized form of x squared minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0 since x squared minus x minus 4 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. And to get the value of x, you should have to remember about the zeroth rule. The zeroth rule says that if the product of two terms, or if the product of two expressions is 0, then at least one of the two must be 0. Therefore, using the zero rule, using the zero rule, use the zero rule, the zero rule. Therefore, this will become x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. And finally, from this one, we will get x is equal to 4, or x is equal to minus 2. These are the two numbers that we get by letting the denominator to 0. After this, to take this one as a vertical asymptote, ወይም ደግሞ የኛን vertical asymptote ለመውሰድ አሁን ህጉ ምንድን ነው የሚለው? ህጉ ዲኖሚኔተሩ ከስር ያለውን ኤክስፕሬሽን ከዜሮ ጋር እኩል አድርጎ ሶልቭ አድርጎ ቁጥር ማግኘት ነው። ለዚህ ከዜሮ ጋር እኩል ስናደርግ ከታች ያለው ስኩዌር ማይነስ ኤክስ ማይነስ ኤክስ ኢኳል ቱ ዜሮ ነው። ይሄ ምን አይነት ኤክስፕሬሽን ነው? ኳድራቲክ ኤክስፕሬሽን እንደምታውቁት። በዚህ አንድ ኳድራቲክ ኤክስፕሬሽን ደግሞ በሶስት መንገድ ሊሰራ ይችላል። በኳድራቲክ ፎርሙላ ሊሰራ የሚችል አይነት አለ። በፋክተራይዜሽን የሚሰራ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ሊሰራ ይችላል። ወይ ደግሞ በኮምፕሌክስ ስኩዌር ሜተድ ሊሰራ ይችላል። የኛን ኬስ ስንመለከት ይሄ በፋክተራይዜሽን በቀላሉ መስራት ይቻላል። ሶ በፋክተራይዜሽን ስንሰራ ምንድን ነው? ኤክስ ስኩዌር ማይነስ 4x ኤክስ ስኩዌር ማይነስ 2x ማይነስ 8 የሚለው ተደምሮ ማይነስ 2 የሚሰጠው መጥባይ ሲደረጉ ደግሞ ማይነስ 8 የሚሰጡ ሁለት ቁጥሮችን ፈልገን ማይነስ 2 በእነዛ ቁጥር ደምር ማይነስ 8 ደግሞ በቁጥሮቹ ጊዜ ተደርገን ፋክተራይዝ ማድረግ ነው። እንደዛ ስናደርግ መጨረሻ ላይ ኤክስ ስኩዌር ማይነስ ኤክስ ማይነስ 4 ታይምስ ኤክስ ፕላስ 2 ኢኳል ቱ 0 አጋጠመን ማለት ነው። ከዚህ ምን አገኘን? ዜሮ ሩል የሚለውን በመጠቀም ኤክስ ማይነስ 4 ኢኳል ቱ 0 ኦር ኤክስ ፕላስ 2 ኢኳል ቱ 0 ከዚህ ወደዚህ ሲሻገር ኔጌቲቭ ነበር፣ ሲሻገር ፖዚቲቭ ሆነ። ኤክስ ኢዝ ኢኳል ቱ 4 ሆነ። ከዚህ ደግሞ ኤክስ ኢኳል ቱ ማይነስ 2 ሆነ ማለት ነው። ሶ after all these procedures or steps, we come across with two values of x. The first value of x is x equal to 4, and the second one is x equal to minus 2. So to consider or to take these two numbers as a vertical asymptote, we should have to insert these numbers into the numerator and into the denominator. If these two numbers, step by step or turn by turn, after inserting turn by turn to the numerator and the denominator, if they are able to make the denominator 0 but the numerator different from 0, then they are going to be considered as a vertical asymptote. So let us do it. So what is P of for this case? P of x means the P of the denominator. Okay, let us take for denominator. Just let us insert x is equal to 4 into the numerator. It will become 4 square minus 4 minus 12. So what is 4 square? It is 16 minus 4 minus 12. So 16, what is this? Is minus 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Let me insert this one into the denominator. It will become 4 square minus 2 times minus 4, then minus 8. So what is 4 square? It is 16. Minus, what is minus 2 times minus 4? It is minus 8 plus 8. Exactly. Am I correct? Minus 8. Then minus 8. So I have inserted 4 into the numerator, and the numerator, when we insert 4 into the numerator, it will become 4 square minus, instead of x I inserted 4, then it will become minus 4 minus 12. So what is 4 square? It is 16. 16 minus 4 and then minus 12. So minus 4 and the minus 12 is minus 16, then it will become 16 minus 16, which is 0. So I have to insert this number into the denominator again. So what is our denominator? The denominator is x squared minus 2x minus 8. So when we insert this x is equal to 1 in the denominator, it will become 4 squared minus 2 times 4 minus 8. And this will become 16 minus 8 minus 8, which is 0. So x is equal to 4, or x is equal to 4 makes the numerator and the denominator 0. So we are not going to take x is equal to 4 as a vertical asymptote. Rather, at x is equal to 4, this function will have a hole. So we are required to find that whole. So the whole will become, to find the whole, I should have to simplify, I should have to factorize the two expressions and cancel out common terms. After the cancellation of the common terms, we are going to insert x is equal to 4 and what is left. So let us do that. Numerator. When we factorize the numerator, it will become x squared minus x minus 12. So find two numbers when added gives minus 1, when multiplied gives 6. To me, these two numbers are minus 4 and 3. So minus 4 and 3. This is x squared minus 4x minus 3x plus 3x minus 12. So this will become what is common for these two expressions is x, then it will become x minus 4. We are looking for factorization. To factorize this one, we have to pair the two expressions and then look for common expression. So we have to do like this. እነዚህ ማጣመር ይሆንልናል ማለት ነው። ካጣመር በኋላ የጋራቸውን ስንመለከት what is common for this and for x squared and for x is x, and it will become x minus 4. When we look for the two expression common for two expressions, it will become 3 plus 3. And here we have x minus 4. And finally, look for common expression which is here and here also. It is x minus 4. And what is left is x plus 3. So this is the general factorized double form of x squared minus x minus 12. For the denominator, we did it previously, and it is x minus 4, x plus 2. So when we bring f of x is equal to x squared minus x minus 12 over x squared minus 2x minus 8. So this will become written as x minus 4 times x plus 3 over x minus 4 x plus 2. So this is a factorized form of the function. So as we can observe, the numerator and the denominator have a common factor, which is x minus 4. We have to cancel this x minus 4 by x minus 4. And what is left is x plus 3 over x plus 2. So where is the whole? At what point the whole occurs is our question. The whole occurs at x is equal to 4. And at this x is equal to 4, we have to find the value of what? The value of y is going to be obtained by inserting 4 onto two expressions, into the two 4 above expressions. So therefore f of 4 becomes 4 plus 3 over 4 plus 2. So what is 4 plus 3? It is 7 over 4 plus 2 is 6. And therefore, the function f of x has a whole at what? A whole at x is equal to 4, and the whole by surface. The whole is occurs, or the whole is at 4 comma and 7 over 6. 7 over 6. We have completed. Therefore, at x is equal to 4, the function as a whole, and we have both the whole and the whole in this one. So what become is just checking for x is equal to minus 2. We have to do the same step, or we have to follow the same step to consider this one as a vertical asymptote or not. So to check, I have to insert x is equal to minus 2, or I have to insert negative 2 instead of x in the above expression, in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So when we insert minus 2 in the denominator, it will become what? It will become, in the numerator, it will become minus 2 squared minus 2 minus 12. And what is minus 2 squared? It is 4, as you know. What is minus minus? It is plus 12. So it will become 6 minus 12, which is minus 6, and it is different from 0. So when we insert minus 2 in the denominator, it will become, here is our denominator, therefore minus 2 squared, minus 2 times minus 2, minus 8. So what is minus 2 squared? It is 4, as you know. What is minus 2 minus 2? minus 2, it is 4 minus 8. Therefore, this is 8 minus 8, which is 0. Therefore, therefore, hence, x is equal to minus 2 is our vertical asymptote. So x is equal to minus 2 is taken as a vertical asymptote because, as you see, when we set the minus 2 in the numerator, we get minus 6, which is different from 0. And when we insert the same number to the denominator, it will make the denominator 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 is a vertical asymptote. Generally, this function has a vertical asymptote that is equal to minus 2 and has a whole at 4 comma 7 over 6. This is all about vertical asymptote. What comes our horizontal asymptote? Let me find the horizontal asymptote of this